In today's teaching, we'll be talking about the interface and tools in Premiere Pro. It's going to be like understanding the interface and the tools in Premiere Pro. And what are you going to gain in this teaching? Because it's going to be a teaching that is going to be very educative, and you will be able to gain something. So what you are going to learn from today's teaching is going to be understanding the interface and the tools of Premiere Pro. You're going to understand the interface, what the interface is, what it means, and the tools of Premiere Pro. And also, you are going to learn to navigate the software and customize your workspace however you want. You'll be able to like navigate, customize. Everybody has how they want their interface to look like, and that makes the job easy for us. And lastly, you will be familiar with the timeline, the track layers, and the basic editing tools. Yeah, you know what the timeline means and where the timeline is and Premiere Pro, and also you're going to know about the track layers and the basic editing tools on Premiere Pro. Yes, I believe you can all see my screen right now. So we are going to be diving into the lecture fully without wasting much of our time. So firstly, what is an interface? I know we've all been hearing about interface. We all know interface, surface, display, yes, but I know we all know that. But what is an interface in video editing? What does an interface really means in video editing? An interface in video editing, it refers to the visual layout and organization of the software controls, tools, and features. The layout of the software controls, tools, and features is the way the software presents itself to the user, allowing them to interact with it and perform various tasks. So the way it presents itself to you, for you to be able to perform different tasks, for you to be able to relate with it, for you to be able to do whatever you want with it. And if you are seeing my screen right now, you can see I'm on Premiere Pro now. This is an interface. This is an interface, although it's an home page. This is Premiere Pro home page. When you log into Premiere Pro, this is the first thing you see, an home page. And in this home page, you can do a lot of things. In this home page, we have the new project. What this new project really means is, if you want to work on a new workspace entirely, then you click on this new project. We have open project. This open project means the project you've worked on before. Maybe you want to look for it and continue editing on the project you've worked on before. You can click on this open project. And here we have this the recent jobs that I've worked on. So quickly, let me go into the new project so we can do something.